Menteri Ketna Transport Bah HDR ringdo ula Plie patba ya ke showroom jong ka serpai automotive kabadai kan nong die ya ki kali Mahindra baper ka badan hamolai moyong rim ya kani ke showroom Bah HDR lingdo ula Plie patba ha ka spotrik nailur harangkat ke jingadan lang MLE ka molai Bah empha lang imle MLE ka cleariat Bah Justin Dhar but managing director ka serpai automotive Bah heading sutanga lembat kiwi.
When everything is okay, we don't feel about the need that employment is really needed. But when this situation arises, we do understand that we need employment. So somebody has to come forward to create these opportunities. So I would appreciate Mr. Plie, although in his limited knowledge that he has, he can do such a great thing by setting up this venture. I came to know from him, about 74 people are employed, getting employment. So this is a very good gesture, a very good steps, a very good move, which every one of us should appreciate.